Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this cordless grass trimmer. This is viewable right here. It's got a slot for the battery. It's got the trigger to go ahead and start this thing up. It has a handle right here, wheels here, so it's easily to roll it around. You've got this button to go ahead and adjust the angle of the blade. And it's got the actual blade. It also comes with this rope kind of blade right here, two of these straight blades, and then a 3-tooth blade. Comes with 2 batteries, so you always have a backup. You can easily check the battery life right there. It got 2 gloves, and then glasses in here, the tools to assemble this thing. It took about 10 minutes to assemble, and extra string for this blade right there. And then of course the charger for these batteries. Let's go ahead and see how this works outside. All right, here it is with the battery in place. I'm simply gonna go ahead and press this in and then pull the trigger. Look at that. As you can see, nice and low compared to off to the side right there. Overall, highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.